So for A here, I'm going to write out the formula as I think it is exactly on your formula sheet. This is the product law. Oh, yeah, sure. Thank you. Oh, that didn't work. All right, I'll write it out again. So on your formula sheet, you have this on your formula sheet. What you have to recognize in part A is that we have the right side right now. We're adding two logarithms, and the bases are the same. In fact, these are the common logs, right? Log base 7 and log base 8, both of common log, they both have the same. And whenever we're adding two logs, we could rewrite it and say it's equal to log base 10, and I don't have to write the 10 because it's common log, of 7 times 8, which is just the same as log of 56. So log 7 plus log 8 is the same as log 56. And you could type that into your calculator to check. For B, on your formula sheet, I should use exact letters so that I don't mess you up. It's M and N every time. On your formula sheet, you have this. So what you have to recognize is here, I have a number in front of a log. And that's what this side is saying. Whenever you have a number in front of a logarithm, that number can move in as an exponent. So I can write log 5 log 2 as log 2 to the exponent 5. So that 5 in front can move up as an exponent. And that's, of course, the same as log of 32. So 5 log 2 is the same as log 32. And part C on your formula sheet, whenever you're subtracting two logs and you have the same base, that's the same as dividing. So our example of log 80 minus log 16 would be the same as log 80 divided by 16, which, if you simplify that fraction, they divide nicely. It's the same as log 5. The log laws, though, aren't as intuitive as your exponent laws, because your exponents, you can say that makes sense. The log laws, the way that they are, you just sort of like, we'll treat them as rules. They won't make sense to you when you look at them.
When you said exponents or reduced fractions, does this question simplify each expression? We have to go from 80 divided by 16 to 5?
Because this question said simplify, then it would mean that it should simplify completely. Okay? If this question said write as a single logarithm, because you'll get this same question with those instructions, then if you had left it as log 80 over 16, you would be fine. Because this is called a single logarithm. What we had before is not considered a single logarithm. Even in B, 5 log 2 isn't considered a single logarithm because you have 5 times that. So anytime they're asking for a single logarithm, they're wanting you to write just log of something. And with your log laws, you will be able to combine them to be single logarithms.